Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can make the switch from a Verizon to Visible. Really easy and simple to do, guys. So basically, what you have to first do is you have to check eligibility. So you want to use Visible's portability checker, okay, to go ahead and verify that your phone number can actually be ported to Visible, okay? And you can also use the Visible's compatibility checker to see if your phone is also compatible with Visible's network. You can come to this page, just search Visible Compatibility Checker, and then you'll be able to go to that page. And then you also have to confirm your account holder, right? You must be an authorized account holder to basically make the switch. And you want to also check for any restrictions. So you want to contact your current carriers to confirm that there are no restrictions, freezes, or obligations on your account. And then you will have to generate a number transfer PIN. So in My Verizon, the app, you want to generate a number transfer PIN. Just transfer your number. You want to go to the Visible app, okay? Navigate to the home section and select transfer your old number to Visible. And you'll need to basically provide information from your previous carrier. So to activate your new line, you want to insert the Visible SIM card into your phone and follow the on-screen prompts, okay? Go ahead and do that. And then what you'll be able to do, guys, you'll be able to transfer your old number to Visible. So to activate your new line, you just insert the Visible SIM card into your phone, follow the prompts, and then you can test your new line. So you run a speed test, you can make a phone call, and you can also send a message to basically confirm that everything is working. And then at the end, you can also contact Visible support by starting a chat. Okay, you can do this on their website if you have any issues. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.